intensive learning class, 9 have IEPs. So there is like definitely a mixture of levels. It's a lot of differentiation, a lot of accommodations. 9 kids have IEPs. There's kids that get straight A's, and there's kids that are getting speech, OT, IEPs, all that. So it's a lot of different levels. So my standard, I said demonstrating understanding of figurative language, word relationships, and nuances in word meanings. So using the relationship between particular words, synonyms, antonyms, homographs, to better understand each word. All right, so I'm going to read you guys a passage, and you're just going to listen and tell me if you hear any errors. All right. I love teaching homophones. There are so many fun activities, and we all know it is an important skill for students to learn in order to write correctly and meet Common Core standards. Did anyone hear any errors? No. Anyone? No? Okay. Now I'm going to show you. I would show this on a projector, but I'm just going to kind of hold it up today. All right, now I'm going to have you look at it.
No.
So we'll read it again. I love teaching homophones. There are so many fun activities, and we all know it is an important skill. Can everyone say sorry? It's okay. For students to learn in order to write correctly and meet Common Core standards. So raise your hand and tell me if you see any errors now. Yes?
I should be I.
So I, the first one. Anyone else?
You have there and are. There are. Should be.
There. That's the wrong there. It should be T-H-E-R-E, right? Anyone else? Anyone say yes?
So.
So, it's like, okay. Anyone else? There's a lot more. Sorry, I can't say. Like I said, I would put this up on a projector or a smart.
We, with 2 E's.
We. That's just a misspelling.
4 is spelled wrong.
All right,
The number.
4. Meat. Meat, that's like a piece of meat. We're not talking about that.
In. That's too many.
And it's like, yep, like the Holiday Inn. We're not talking about that. Is that anything else?
We all know. Did they
Oats.
say that one yet? No, we all know.
We all know. What should that be?
No, we can't.
Okay.
Yes.
So we all, where'd it go? No. Okay. I think that, any more?
2.
2, yep. It's T-O-O. It should be
Right.
and right. Good job. I think we got them all. Okay. So why is it important to know these homophones when we're writing?
Because if you read it the way you wrote it, it doesn't make sense.
It's not going to make sense. So if you guys are doing a written test, even in science or social studies or anything, it'll be marked wrong because it's not going to make sense. Does everyone understand why homophones are so important? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Now, can someone give me a good definition of what a homophone is? Should have started with that, but go ahead.
2 words that sound alike but aren't spelled the same.
And they have a different meaning. Good. Okay. Now I'm going to pass out cards. They have different homophones on them. You are going to find your partner or group with your matching homophones. And you are going to give a sentence telling what your homophone means. Put your homophone in a sentence. So we're all going to get up and move. I'm just going to pass them all around. So once you get your card, hold it up so it's visible so the whole class can see it. So you can find your person. If you don't have one, raise your hand so I can see it.
Sail.
I like
I feel like they so.
There,
I like
your
to
partner
read.
quickly. Up. See?
I think you. Oh yeah, you're last.
Sorry. I'd love to get your head like right in the net.
If it's not correct, tell your classmates.
Are we coming up with the second?
Individual sentences.
For each one. No, I'm coming up with the
Fire sale.
Want to go to the where are you going?
I have a question.
I have
Are we making
Supposed to
two
put it in
separate
past
sentences?
Each person makes a sentence.
I just put it in past tense.
Is over there. Sure. more.
Okay.
You can say I have.
I have 2 shoes checked.
We're good. Oh.
Do we do one sentence per word?
One sentence. Is everyone done? Yep. All right, pass your card to another person in the class. Quickly, someone.
Someone catch.
You can't pass it to who?
I was just gonna trade with someone.
You want to fail.
I do.
You do.
There!
Yeah, I said I would.
I found a really great blackberry snail. Awesome. Can I hear your second?
Well, that's how I learned for seven.
That's right.
I got go for sales for
All right, one more time. Switch with a different person.
No, I have 2.
And if you want, if in a classroom you can play music, a certain amount of time, you can find a new partner.
There.
How do I do?
How much time?
Somebody needs to switch with me.
I would like to find a safe. I like
Nobody's
There.
That was my brother.
All right, find your seats, class. Maybe you can keep your cards. We're going to do a blow out. Find your seats, please. Okay, who wants to volunteer to give me one of their sentences?
From any number.
The card you're holding, can someone give me an example? Go ahead.
I went to the mall to meet my friends.
So meet is her card. Does everyone understand? What's the other meet, the homophone? What is the meaning of your homophone?
On Thanksgiving, we ate meat.
Okay, they're very different. All right, good job. You can pass your cards out. Pass it to one person. All right, now we're just going to do a little worksheet. You can work with the person next to you. It says write each correct word for each clue. So you have 2 clues, and you have to figure out what the homophone is. So you're just going to work together. We'll give you one. Talk with your partner. You guys can work together. Work together. I didn't get one.
What's going on? Two.
You guys are quick.
2 and. Oh, whoa.
So just do the front of the sheet just for this lesson so we can.
Number 1. 2 and pair.
Who's your marker?
Pair.
Okay.
Beat.
How much?
8.5.
So when you're done the front of the sheet, look up here.
Which one's with the eye? Shirts, pants, clothes and clothes. It's a race now.
Oh,
Carry the other one.
You guys have any questions?
Sorry.
It's not a race.
It is a race.
Let's spell our words correctly.
And we
Shut up, sit, keep yourself.
Just the front of the sheet if you're done, just for time's sake.
That was the
What?
part.
Okay.
She said don't do the back.
Nope, well, we're.
You're making balls. There's more. Balls and balls, you said?
That thing's in your eye.
What did you say?
Oh,
Oh. And this is tricky.
not one.
Did you guys follow directions? I said just the front of the sheet.
It's
Follow
not following
directions.
directions, don't worry.
I said just the front of the sheet. Okay, if you're done with the front of the sheet, raise your hand, please. Just the front of the sheet. Follow directions.
Oh.
Okay. We can go over it. Are we at 10 minutes? We were gonna go over the answers, but that's that. Yay!